Nestled in the scenic countryside of central France is the Wyndham Halcyon Retreat Golf and Spa Resort, a 5-star luxury destination with a vast array of sports, leisure and lifestyle amenities. The perfect place for fun, relaxation and inspiration, where you can make time for yourself and memories that will last a lifetime. Property ownership at the resort starts from just €206,000, and owners enjoy an annual rental program that pays a fixed 6% return for 10 years, with flexible free usage for you and your family. To find out more, fill in your details and one of the team will be in touch.